Babes.
Yeah.
Come here, please.
Give me a second, I'm coming.
Babes, come now, please. We need your help.
What's going on? What's up?
Babes, come here.
What?
Me I try to take out the tampon and the card burst. And me check, me can't feel it.
Tampon?
Yes.
So not try to put your finger.
Babes, me try and me not feel it. Me need your help, please.
You in pain?
Babes, it just now come in. Please do me, I beg you. Come and me take it out now.
But babes, I think you figure it, doctor.
Me could try take it out first. Babes, come
Alright,
now.
give me a second. Give me a second. Jesus Christ.
Hurry up now.
Mia, come. Come. Get up. Get up. Jesus Christ. Lay down, buddy.
Babes, what are they?
Eh?
Where you go with them there?
Babes, these are the gloves to put on.
Yeah, but what you do with that?
No worry, me run hot water upon it so it's sterilized.
Where you gonna use it, do your feet?
This have to hold the lips them, and this have to go up and see if me can get.
If you take out,
Oh, me go get it while so, my hand can't hold in you.
So you really gonna push that up in me and try to take out something?
So what me for use?
Jesus Christ, I drop me and me. So I'm sitting up in me for 3 and I gonna push that there's something up in me something?
That's the only thing me could not think of right now.
If I go and go put on something in Jesus' name and get away from here.